Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna do like a really quick get ready with me. I have a couple of errands to run with my boyfriend today, and we're taking our new adopted doggy to the vet. Since it's Wednesday, it's my day off, I'll go ahead and just do something real quick. And please don't mind my nose. I actually, the other day when I was at work, so my position, I have to like build things and take them down and whatnot. I'm in charge of the whole visual aspect of the store. We had a little end cap mishap, me and my beauty manager. So I did have a little accident on my nose. So I'm gonna try to cover that up. It doesn't really hurt anymore, but it just kind of looks way worse than it is. So please ignore that. I wasn't sure really what to do for a video today, and I had a lot of people comment on my videos, say like, do seasonal looks or do like my favorite holy grail products, and I'll probably do that eventually, but my life's been kind of crazy right now. I've been working a lot, and like I said, I just adopted a new doggy, so we have two now, and it is a huge mess trying to handle both of them right now, so I'll probably get to that, just not right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Drunk Elephant Bee Hydra Intensive Hydration Gel, sorry. My skin has been really dry lately, just right out of the shower. But like throughout the day, it's been pretty oily. So having a gel formula for something that's hydrating is really nice, because it'll hydrate, but it'll still help control the shine. And then for moisturizer, I'm just gonna go ahead and use the Origins Matte Moisturizer with Willow-herb. And this is a matte finish moisturizer as well. So once again, hydration without the extra shine. And I've been breaking out a lot lately. I say lately, but I guess I mean like in the last 2 days. But it's probably just hormonal. You can kind of see a little bit of it right here. So I've been trying to stick with like the same products, so that way I don't like potentially irritate it anymore. Oh my god, that looks so bad. I should have just lied and told you guys that I got like in a bar fight or something, because it sounds really cool. But no, it's just a stupid end cap at my job. My life's not that exciting, sorry. Okay, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my foundation first. I like to do that when I'm trying to do something really quick and easy, just because then I don't have to worry about my eyes too much. So for foundation, I'm just gonna use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation Stick. This guy's really easy to apply and really easy to blend out. And this color is R230. I've used this in a video before. I think it was my first video. And it's not bad. It's a little light for me because it's just a little, oh shit. It's a little pink, but that's okay. And I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. Blend it out. I'm trying to get myself like a lot more comfortable with the camera, like talking, because it still feels like really awkward to me sometimes. And I feel like when I look back on my videos, it looks almost forced. And I feel really bad because I feel like I can't really show how my personality is. Like I'm actually really weird and goofy, and I'm not very serious most of the time. And I know a lot of my friends who actually know me, if they're watching this, they're probably like, wow, she looks so awkward. I swear, I'm not that serious, you guys. I keep getting kitty hairs in my nose. I'm sitting in front of a window right now and everything's open, so the lighting is actually pretty good, but I did have my ring light on. Okay, and then for my concealer, I'm just gonna use the Sephora collection Make No Mistake. I'm gonna try. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this concealer right under my eyes because of my crazy dark circles. Oh my god, cat hairs. So my crazy dark circles. The animals, I'm not even kidding, like the dogs are so cuddly. They both lay on the bed with us, and the last couple of nights they've been taking up the whole bed, so Tyler and I haven't really been able to sleep very well. You guys, I did not put a primer on my face. I can't believe I did that. Good thing I'm not going to work, or that would have sucked. Okay, so for powder, I'm going to set all of this with my Cover FX Perfect Translucent Setting Powder. And I'm a big fan of it. I really, really actually like this powder. It doesn't darken up anything under my eyes, which is nice because the Laura Mercier that I have will do that sometimes. And then I have a Maybelline one too, which is like already tinted on its own, so I don't like to use that under my eyes. And I just really feel like the coverage on this is really splotchy since I'm not wearing a primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation powder in the color, I think it's Classic Ivory. I'm just going to kind of pat that all over. So for bronzer, I'm gonna use my Benefit Hoola bronzer just to kind of throw on some color really quick all over with my fluffy brush. It looks great on the camera. You know what? That's fine, because in person it looks like trash, but that's fine. Nobody needs to know. That's okay. All right, and then for blush, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Nars. I think it's pronounced Goulue. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to be using an eyeshadow from my Buxum's Dolly's Wild Side palette. It's called Silk Sheets, and I think I'm ready. I'm finally ready to just go online and buy it since my location doesn't carry the Buxum eyeshadows anymore. Just because it's a really, really pretty color for just like eyeshadow. But I use it for highlight. I think it's like poppin' enough. Just like perfect for like a everyday glow. A little bit there. I'm gonna avoid my little skirt. Let me see, I'm gonna put it on there. It looks softer. A lot good. A lot get softer. Said nobody. Okay, so next I'm gonna go ahead and just do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna zoom in a little bit for that. Ooh. All right, so I'm gonna use my Benefit Goof Proof brow pencil. You know, this eyebrow is my favorite, oops, when it comes to like the natural shape, but then once I start filling it in, then it starts looking like shit, so I don't know like what. I think that's safe. And with this brush, I'm just gonna kind of blend out all the creasing. I'm gonna dip into that powder and set all of that. Now, to be completely honest, I don't really use eyeshadow primer anymore. Sometimes I will, depending on the look that I'm doing, but I really find that you can kind of do the same thing with concealer and a little bit of powder. I feel like if your eyes are really, like my eyes are hooded, but if your eyes are like really, really hooded or like a really, really deep set and you feel like your brow bone just kind of hangs over your lid, then you might want to do a primer on top of doing this step, like do a primer and then concealer and then powder to really keep it from creasing, because I have noticed that sometimes depending on the day, like if my eyes are really swollen and they're like kind of hanging over my lid a little bit more, and they're creasing a lot more without primer, then no go. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my lashes. In my little Sephora baggie. Alright, so for mascara, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Toofaced Better Than Sex. And it's a brand new one, so it's gonna be like perfect and go on really easily, which I love. hear my cat crying at the door. I had to kick them out because last time I was recording and they were in here, they got freaked out by a noise and they knocked over my ring light with my camera on it and they broke my camera and I had to go get a whole new one. Yeah, talking about you. Oh my gosh, she's getting like really loud. I'm gonna put on a little bit more bronzer because I feel like I am a little white still. So I'm gonna focus a little bit more. Cover the cheeks, show the face. Okay, so for my lips, just really quick, I'm gonna throw on a gloss, which I normally don't like gloss, but I've been a big fan of the Buxum, I think it's just the full-on lip polish, and I believe the color is Dolly, but I have this lovely sticker that covers the name, so I'm gonna assume it's Dolly. Okay, and then since I'm pretty much all done, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. So many little things. And there's that. I actually tried to like do my hair a little bit for this video because I feel like the last couple of videos I've had, my hair has been like crazy funky. If you guys want to see anything else, just let me know in the comments. So this is my kitty. This is my Honey Nut Scooters. She looks like Jabba the Hutt. Go ahead and follow my Instagram if you want to see like some days, like for work, I will just post pictures of the makeup that I'm wearing. So if you want to see like other looks and stuff, go ahead and go onto my Instagram and let me know if you want me to make a tutorial of it or just a video, because I don't know if this is like an actual tutorial. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know in the comments what else you guys would like to see, and then yeah, I will hopefully talk to you guys soon. Goodbye.